Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by building the skeleton. Add columns for date, exercise, sets, reps, load, and notes. Once done, populate the exercise list on a separate sheet and use data validation to create a drop-down so entries stay consistent. Make reps and load numeric with min/max to avoid typos. Freeze the header row and set date to YIMMDD so sorting works predictably. Now enter your first session rows and record 1 to 3 warm-up sets before moving to main lifts. You now automate calculations that reveal progress. Add a volume column using sets *reps *load and an estimated 1 RM using the Epley formula so you see intensity. Once done, wrap these in array formula or use named ranges so new rows compute automatically. Make weekly totals with SUMIFs or a query that groups by ISO week and exercise, and build a pivot table for quick summaries. Also add sparklines or charts linked to the pivot so you can visualize trends without manual updates. You finish by locking key ranges and setting sharing permissions so training partners can view or comment but not wreck formulas. Make a template sheet and use app script or a macro to copy it weekly. Schedule mobile reminders or calendar links to prompt logging. Export or backup monthly to CSV for long-term tracking. If something breaks, first check data validation lists, range references, and absolute references like $1. Fixing those almost always restores correct calculations.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.